Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is my wash routine, and I wash my hair every 2 weeks. So now I'm just wetting my hair. Step 1 is to clarify, and I don't clarify that often. I usually clarify as needed. If I feel that my hair is full of product, I will go ahead and clarify it. So I maybe do it a couple times a year. So it is not something I do every 2 weeks. And the first wash is usually trying to get the first layer of all that product and dirt off of your hair so it doesn't really sud up that much. Step 2 is to stimulate. I like to use products that stimulate my scalp, so something like tea tree or peppermint. I like this peppermint shampoo by Fletcher. It is the cool, stimulating peppermint shampoo, and I do use this every 2 weeks in my wash routine. I do like to rub my locks and scrub them against each other to try to get them clean, and I do constantly squeeze them to make sure I'm getting every part of the lock clean. Step 3 is to use a moisturizing shampoo, and I like this one by Design Essentials. It's the Honey Cream Moisturizing Shampoo, and I do use this every 2 weeks. Sometimes using certain shampoos can strip your hair completely and leave it very dry. So I like using a moisturizing shampoo to try to put back some of the moisture that was lost. So first I will wash my hair with the stimulating shampoo, and then I will follow up with the moisturizing shampoo. Step 4 is I do condition my locks. I've been conditioning my locks since month 4. And I don't have a staple product to tell you guys. I honestly use what I have. I guess you would say I'm a still recovering product junkie. So I just basically use what I have on hand in my stash. And this one I hated, so you can see I didn't even use much of it. I do spend most of my time rinsing my locks, especially when I use the conditioner. I definitely don't want to have any conditioner trapped in my locks, so I try not to squeeze my locks while the conditioner is on it, and I do rinse thoroughly. So that is pretty much it for my wash routine. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.